Hello Year 2s, welcome to today's phonics lesson. I'm Miss McDonough and I am going to be teaching your phonics today. Warm up today, so this is a revisit of learning that we have already covered, you covered last week. We've got 5 words here: taste, push, fluff, tear, not tear, and cuddle. And what I want you to have a go at doing is, can you add the Y suffix to these words? Okay, so pause the video, go and have a go, and then come back to me in a moment. Right, hopefully you've had a chance to have a go at those now. So taste, remember when our word ends with a Y, we're turning it to tasty, we take away the E and we add our Y. Okay. Push to pushy, pushy, we just add our Y. Fluff to fluffy, can you think what happens with that one? That's right, we just add our Y to the end of that as well. Tear to teary, she was feeling teary, we add a Y to the end of that one. And cuddle to cuddly, bit like tasty, we take away the E and then we add our Y. Okay, I wonder how many of those you managed to get right. Right, so this week we have been looking at adding the full suffix, F-U-L, to the end of words. And remember, a suffix is a letter or a group of letters that goes at the end of a word and changes its meaning. Have a think. I wonder if you know already what happens to the word beauty to turn it into beautiful. I wonder if you know. Okay, so the rule that we're looking at today is when a word ends with a Y and we want to add the full suffix, what we have to do is we change the Y to an I and then we add our full. So the Y at the end of beauty changes to a Y and then we add our full suffix. Can you have a go at adding full to these words? So mercy changes to merciful, plenty to plentiful, and pity to pitiful. Remember, when a word ends with a Y, you need to change the Y to an I before you can add the full suffix. Okay, right, pause the video and have a go at those then. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance to have a go at those. So mercy to merciful, you change the Y to an I and then you add your full. Plenty to plentiful, change the Y to an I and then you add your full. Pity to pitiful, Y to an I and then you add your full. Okay, I wonder if you know what any of those words mean. So remember, when we add our full, it literally means something is full of something, it has something. So we've got merciful. So merciful means to be full of mercy. Someone who is merciful is willing to be kind to and forgive people who are in their power. The red team were not going to be merciful to the blue team. They weren't going to be kind to them. Plentiful means having lots of. The harvest was plentiful last week. Your task today, I want you to find out what does, so your task is to find out what does pitiful mean? one of our full words, and can you use it in a sentence? And you could either have a go at writing your sentence down, or you could just film yourself saying your sentence. Okay? Right, have a go at that task then. What does pitiful mean? Can you use it in a sentence? I hope you enjoyed today's learning video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.